Hello everyone and welcome back. So today guys I'm going to go for third service, oil change for my 2020 Honda Accord Hybrid. So let me show you service we required now after 28,000 miles. So we have A1, 2 and 7. So A1 is oil change, 2 is tire rotation and 7 is brake fluid. So I'm not sure if they're gonna flush the brake system or just change the oil. I think it's probably gonna be the oil change. So let's head there and see what service they're gonna do and how long it's gonna take and what's the price it's gonna be. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so after almost 2 hours the oil change is done and I had a brake service done as well. That's what they recommend me. So the total right here, if you look at this, 171.93. However, let me tell you a little short story. It was 203 total. So what happened is when he called me to the car is ready and come get it, I went there, and what happened, from his cabin somebody took my key. So they thought it's their key and they took my car key. So I have to wait there for 30 more minutes. They said they're gonna make me a new one for free. So they were trying to call the person and then she replied them, and so they did not make me a new one, but I get my old one back. So for that reason they give me the counter lady was very nice. She recommended a discount for me because I was waiting there for 30 minutes for the key, and they give me a tire rotation discount, which tire rotation was free, so it was minus 23.41. So that's how I end up total this one. So basically the brake service, they recommend you to do it after 20,000 miles. Basically they flush the brake system. So that's it. They also recommend me to replace the cabin air filter and the engine air filter, which is was quite expensive here. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it from Amazon, which is quite cheap there. And cabin air filter I ordered. It was like $14 on Amazon. The bestseller, it has like 14,000 reviews. And there was another one which does not have Bosch company. I think some of you probably already know. I could not find the engine air filter for the company that fits in my car, so I got the other one, EP Auto. So that has a good rating too, and so that is only $10. So if you get the OEM one, that is like $44. That's what he told me with the labor, and the cabin filter was $25. So it's quite a difference, and that I can both replace by myself. So that's about it. This was my third oil change though. So last time they recommend me alignment, but for some reason they did not recommend me this time. And I did the oil tire rotation myself last time, but this time I have to get it from here. I did not have time. So, and also they do usually free tire rotation with the oil change on certain times. So if you book the appointment from 8 to 10 p.m. you will get the free tire rotation with the oil change, or from 6 a.m. between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. with those times you will get the free tire rotation if you get the oil change service. So keep that in mind. This is for only, I think, for Lindsay Honda. Not sure about the other dealer. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.